Managing Descript projects with version control is a powerful way to keep your workflow organized, especially when collaborating or making updates. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to efficiently use version control to manage your Descript projects, whether you're a solo creator or working with a team. Stick around till the end because I'm also sharing a way for you to access Descript completely free, along with some exclusive bonuses. If you've ever worked on a project that kept changing or had multiple contributors, you know the chaos of losing important edits or overwriting files. Version control in Descript solves that by keeping a history of all your changes, letting you go back and review or restore earlier versions of your work. To get started with version control in Descript, simply create your project and then click on the File tab in the top left corner. You'll notice the version history option right there. Descript automatically saves versions of your project as you work, but you can also manually save a specific version if you want to mark a milestone or major change. This is key for keeping track of your progress and preventing any accidental loss of work. One of the best features of Descript's version control is its ability to show you exactly what has changed between versions. Each time you go back to an older version, Descript highlights the edits made. This allows you to easily review and ensure that you haven't missed anything important or inadvertently removed something you want to keep. Another great tool is the ability to compare versions side by side. This comes in handy when you want to see exactly how a project has evolved over time or if multiple team members are working on different sections. You can even bring back any section of the older version by simply copying it back into your current project. For teams working collaboratively, Descript also has the option to comment on different parts of the project. You can leave feedback or suggestions directly on the timeline or transcript, making it easier for everyone to stay on the same page. Version control ensures that no matter who adds changes, you always have a complete history and can revert to a previous version at any time. Now you might be wondering, how do I stay on top of all these versions without losing track? Descript makes it easy by allowing you to give each saved version a custom name. Instead of a long list of generic timestamps, you can title each version based on what changed, making it easier to navigate through your version history. This is especially useful when you have several collaborators or multiple versions with minor changes. Also, keep in mind that you can share specific versions with others if you need feedback or collaboration on a particular iteration of your project. You can even download a specific version as a separate file, so if you ever need to share that version elsewhere, it's just a few clicks away. Now, for a quick tip, if you want even more control, consider integrating Descript with cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox. By syncing your Descript projects, you ensure that your versions are backed up in real time and are accessible across devices and locations. If you're new to Descript, the version control feature might seem overwhelming at first, but it's incredibly intuitive once you start using it. And here's the best part. Descript is completely free to try from the first link below, and I've got some exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. So whether you're editing alone or with a team, using version control in Descript will help you stay organized, reduce errors, and ensure that your projects run smoothly. Don't forget to check out the free trial with all the added bonuses through the link below and start managing your projects like a pro today.